that we have earned right now, $3. Hey guys, my name is Kent Kruzma. I am here to show you the United trading game, but it's still ongoing. And today we have also very beautiful announcement to make. We have first winner from the last week trading game, and I'm gonna announce it very shortly. Yeah, 1 week is done. 1 week is done. And we have had some activity, but it's a brand new exchange. There is not a lot of people yet who know that this pair is listed in there. And this is also one of the reasons for these videos. So if you are looking this, you are also part of United community, then make sure you share this video also with your people, with the people who you know, with the people who have purchased United or have been involved with this project. So this is all for the benefit of our whole community, because what more people are starting to trade, the higher is going to be the liquidity level. And of course, people who trade in this trading game, they are going to win the prizes up to 500 euros every week. And of course, the profit as well. So today we are going to look through also how much profit I have made from those trades, what I have made also myself in here, and I'm going to show it also in the screen. But first of all, of course, announcement, we have a winner, and last week's trading game winner is in this screen right now, is Parovsky at protonmile.com. Parovsky at protonmile.com is the winner. So this is an email of your Bitnam exchange. So make sure you are gonna send me a letter, Kent at bitmart.com. You send me a letter with your wallet address of your Bitnam account, and I'm gonna deposit in there $100. And why $100? Why not $500 didn't go out this week is because we had less than 10 people who were participating in the trading game this time. So there is some people who were also participating, but they were not unfortunately filling all the criteria. And actually the criteria is very simple. Also, I'm going to show you this in the screen. We go to unitedtoken.eu, and in United Token page there is section news, and under that news we are going to see United trading game in Bitnam. Wow. Okay, anyway, so what we need to do now, sign up in bitnam.com. Okay, deposit minimum $15. We need to do that at least, and make at least 5 buy trades and 5 sale trades within a week to win the award or to get into the pool. And if there is more than 10 people who are doing that in 1 week, then there is more than $100 what is going out also as a prize money. So per every 10 people we have $100 per week. Well, so 5 people in a week can win, and the possibility that you are going to be the next one who is going to win it is extremely big, because there is not so many traders, and the potential that you're going to make a profit in here again is extremely big. Let's come to the point where we look at the numbers for a moment. Okay, so we got started couple of days ago, so what, 4 or 5 days ago when we got started, and we put into the account $35.7 for trading, only $35.7, and we also added in here 514,800 United, right? So there was some already in the account, and you can check it out also from the video yourself, that these are correct numbers what was there before. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna look how much profit I have made and how how well this game is turning out for me, because I did not win the prize. What we see right now in here is that we have still buy orders, and nobody has not been selling. So with this low price, and the price what I'm trying to buy in here right now is 0.00029 and 0.00028, and since nobody hasn't done it, these are my buy orders, and to see the correct balances I'm gonna cancel these orders. So we're gonna do this, cancel the order. Just click on your order and cancel your order. This is how you can cancel it in case if you need it. And now we see we have right now in here $81.2. So we started with 37, $81.2, and we have 373,634 United. Okay, so to now understand also how much we actually have made profit, we're gonna calculate back with this market price what people are right now selling with. If I would buy the United pack right now, how much dollars I would have in account now. So let's see now, 373, I already put it in the chart also, 373, 634, and in here also the balance is actually we need to buy 141,166 United to actually be in a point where we have this balance. And let's see then how much dollars we have left. Okay, so 141,166, and if we would buy with the price of 309, okay, and 141,166, yeah, or what was it? Was it that kind of number? 141,166. Okay. What we see now, it would cost us $43, and if we are now buying the coins back, what we have sold also $43 we would have to spend. So if our current balance is 81.2, let's now see 81.2 is right now 81.2. Let's see what is the balance in would be this minus this. It's 46.5. Okay, so we would have to spend we have $46.5 dollars of overbalance minus, let's see what we needed to spend, minus 43.6. And we see that we have earned right now $3. Okay, so the amount is not big, right? But also remember that we were starting with only $15 or something like that. So, $35, and we never made a full trade. So every trade what we made was actually like $16 to $17. And making from these kind of trades extra, we have made almost a percentage, well, almost 10% I think every time. So we need to put in the next order. So let's do it again. A little bit lower by 0.0025. Okay, let's see. There is more volume coming. You never know what is going to happen. So more volume coming. Maybe it's coming some sellers selling a bigger part. Let's put in here also $25. Okay, $25 for buy order 100,000 United. We're gonna buy with 0.00025. Place an order buy. And that one we are gonna sell when we are gonna capture the purchase. So right now the buy orders are in. We have $11 left over. We're gonna keep it in the bank just in case. If the price would drop, then we can buy it with a lower price and again sell it with a higher price. But this is how we're gonna do it. It's as simple as that. Buy order, sell order, right? Okay, so this is how it works. Very good. Again, one more time, congratulations for Mr. Parovsky at protonmail.com. Send me your address, please, and I'm gonna give you a little bit more funds. Maybe you can trade with it and make way more profit as well. So we are always happy when people are doing good. And of course, when you're already here, when you're already trading in Vietnam, also check my other videos. I'm also making a video how to make $100 into $10,000. It's gonna be a long journey for sure. I know it. We are already in a pretty good profit in there in the first week. and we're gonna carry on probably another 50 weeks to get there. Maybe it's not gonna go so long, maybe it's not, well, anyway, you're gonna check the video, you're gonna see. What you can also do is come to our Twitter page or our Telegram group and also put a thumbs up or show like that you are there and support the community. Like if you like this exchange, you see that there is something in there, write a comment about it, tag us or do whatever would boost us up. Also, it's gonna help all of us because all the new traffic also it might come to United, and if you are one of the United holders, this would be also big help for you. Plus, of course, all your friends, you can register with your link. There is a lot of things what is coming out, what I cannot announce yet, but there is the products, there is the things what we're gonna sell as well. And if you have a lot of people connected with your link, then you're gonna earn money also when they're gonna buy it. So for sure, there is gonna be a lot of good products. Make sure you're not gonna miss anything. My next video is gonna come up also in a couple of days. And thank you so much for watching.